How to make yourself look like a beauty queen. Beauty queens are glamorous and widely admired and envied. If you'd like to become a beauty queen but aren't sure how, there are things you can do to be more like one. Always remember that confidence is everything. Whether you want to actually join a pageant or just look like a beauty queen, there are things you need to know about the look and vibe. Number 1. Wear makeup that enhances your natural beauty. You should keep your makeup pretty natural, so that your beauty shines through. That being said, beauty queens always wear some makeup. Learn how to apply makeup too. You could just go to a cosmetics counter at the mall and ask to be shown a few tips. Always wear lipstick at the pageant. You can go for a subtle look, say nude liner and a non-tinted gloss, but beauty queens don't let their lips stay bare. For a more vibrant look, line your lips with color, like pink or red, and then fill them in with matching lipstick. It's good to take care of your brows. Make them look natural, not overly exaggerated, but well-groomed and arched. Get this done at a salon. Don't try to do it yourself. Save the heavy makeup for the actual pageant or you could end up clogging your pores, which leads to acne. Other makeup that is commonly worn by beauty queens includes primer, foundation, concealer, powder, blush, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara. Buy high-quality makeup. With a little research, you should be able to find quality makeup that doesn't break the bank. You want highly pigmented eyeliner that doesn't smear. Look for a translucent face powder that is triple milled so it doesn't become chalky. Number 2. Consider a spray tan to give your skin a pretty glow. Most people look better with a little color to their skin. However, using tanning beds is really risky. It can lead to melanoma and premature wrinkling. So if you're naturally really pale, try a spray tan instead. They look pretty natural these days. Test out the spray tan a few weeks before the actual pageant so you can make sure it looks good on your skin, and figure out the amount you want. A good bronzing powder can also give you a glowing tan look. You want a bronzer that's not too dark. You should also invest in a bronzing brush so it applies evenly. Number 3. Make sure you have pageant hair and nails. Pageant hair follows a certain look. You don't want your hair too short, for example, and you want it to look elegant and to have some volume. Pageant hair should have some style to it. It shouldn't just hang there limply. To get volume in your hair, use a round brush. Divide the hair into sections. Work a section at a time. Try spraying a little dry shampoo into your roots. Then, use large Velcro rollers before you style your hair. Put hairspray on them and leave them in for 20 minutes. You also may need a hairpiece. Choose one that isn't too over the top. You could also add a few hair extensions if you want fuller hair. Make sure they don't look obvious. Hairpieces can be a good idea when your hair needs some length or volume. Make sure they match your hair color and texture. They can also make your updo look better. For nails, you want to make sure they are not chipped or with peeling paint. Instead, go for an elegant look at a nail salon, like a French manicure. Don't forget your toes. Get a pedicure. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.